Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the booster Beyblade X UX-03 Wizard Drawed 570 dB. There's the back. dB disc ball, I'm guessing. But yeah. Definitely stay tuned for more stuff, okay? Okay, there we go. I need to do thumbnail shots soon, but I'm going to eat. Yeah. I will be getting the stadium set too, so I can actually have more of these guys. But yeah. Don't forget, I need the my knife. Ooh, tape on my knife. Blade of the knife. There we go. Here's the blade. Yeah. There he is. I really like this a lot. I grow good size. Yeah. Let's get 570 out. Okay. Again, this tip. Very interesting to see this. But yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.